Hello. Today I wish to talk about our leading product line, MyFio EMS, which is an email management service for marketing purposes. This includes, by the way, SMS as well. Why would you want to use MyFio EMS? As compared to other providers of email services, you will get the following benefits. You will get a kernel CRM version that comes for free with your EMS product. That means you will have a CRM application that gives you the basics of managing a customer along with your full email management service and SMS services for marketing. It includes all the traditional templates, the analytics around an email campaign, and the best part of it is all of that is integrated to the CRM package we're going to give you as well. This does not mean you need to stop using your current CRM. We can also integrate this to your CRM of your choice. But if you don't have a CRM, we're going to give you the CRM for free, and it's so tightly integrated because today your problem is very simple. You have to extract a list from a CRM system, import it into the email system, send the email out, and look at the statistics and have no mechanism to push it back to the CRM. Well, we've solved that problem for you. We're going to give you a tightly integrated CRM and email services package with all the benefits at the same cost of just an email service provider. Why don't you give us a try? Look us up at www.groupfio.com. Thank you.